great, Shurley. Page 2, recording part 2. Okay, so once again, we're still classifying our sentences. This time, though, we're going to add a pattern to it. The spotted toad hopped quickly. What hopped quickly? Toad, subject, noun. What is being said about the toad? Hopped, verb. Hopped how?
Quickly,
Adverb. What kind of toad?
spotted, adjective,
The
article, adjective,
pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, one, check. Period. Declarative sentence. Now, you guys probably have also learned how to go back and do the complete predicate and things like that, but on these, this is all they want so far. Okay? A little girl tiptoed quietly. So, what tiptoed quietly? What is being said about the girl? Tiptoed how? Adverb. What kind of girl? Okay. Pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, one, check. Period. Okay. Two birds sing sweetly. What sing sweetly? What is being said about the bird? Saying how? How many birds? Pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, one, check. Period. Okay, let's go ahead and go back and do that. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Okay. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order?
Natural.
All right, let's go back up here. So if we go back, where is the complete subject, complete predicate? And then toad and hopped, right? Okay. The yellow ball rolled away. What rolled away? Okay. What is being said about the ball? Verb. Okay. Rolled where? What kind of ball? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, one, check. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, this is in natural or inverted order. Okay. And then we're right, number 11 is in natural order. If we were going to underline the complete subject, what would we underline? Two birds once, and then the complete predicate twice, singing sweetly. Okay? But it wasn't inverted, right? Okay. So 13 you guys will do for homework. Numbers, exercise 2, use sentence 11 to underline a complete subject once. Oh, and we just did that. Okay. So where we did the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. Okay. We just did that. So list the noun used. So what was the noun in that sentence? Bird, right? What was the noun's job? It was the subject noun, right? Was it singular or plural? Plural, common or proper? Common. What's the simple subject? Bird, right? Because the simple subject starts, or not starts, ends with the subject, right? And then what is the simple predicate? Sing, because it's the verb, right? Okay, so identify each pair of words as synonyms or antonyms. So annoy, bother. Synonym, drain, fill. Antonym, and then you guys will do number 3 for homework.